morning and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I don't know how frequent they'll be because work and everything. But today we are off to Sunderland to see Les Mis at the theatre. So we're getting ready and we're going. We were going to be going. Actually, I'll start getting ready as I'm doing it. We were going on the train, but that has been cancelled because there's flooding in Newcastle and we have to go to Newcastle to get to Sunderland, so we're just going to drive. Oh, my lights are falling off. I think I'm going to go stop at Asda on the way through because I've got some really nice Christmas decorations to go through, so we'll have a little look at that. We've got some tapas booked before the theatre. I'm very excited for this. This was meant to be Christmas. No, Christmas wasn't. Hannah bought me it for my birthday for this year. It's just taken a while to book and actually get to. But yeah, I am going to be the one driving because I'm driving to Newcastle next weekend. I'm also driving to Manchester and we've got this in Paris. See if we can get the train there. I cannot do two things at once. Oh, that's a good mirror. I actually might at some point do a makeup tutorial because just some everyday makeup, because the girls at work I was like, oh, how do you do your makeup? So if I do one video I'm like, I do it like this. So that will be coming, I don't know when, probably on a day I'm not doing anything. I might actually do it real time for like before I go to work, because that'll be a good one. Or I suppose I could do it here. I've actually got you rested on a mug on a tripod. But anyhow, we still need to pack because if we were going on the train we would be late because it was in 20 minutes. But because we don't have to set off as early, it's just been a nice chill morning. It's been lovely. We've watched I'm a Celeb from yesterday because we missed it. Because we're at the in Wakanda forever. I've totally lost my train. I thought I will get ready, put some makeup on, and I'll see you in a bit to finish my packing. I am ready, the makeup is done. Really? I apologise if you cannot hear. My mother likes to hoover at the completely wrong time. So I've got my makeup already in, my skincare's in, so that's fine, it's kind of done. Outfits, so pyjamas are in. I'm thinking maybe doing some leather shorts, either this shirtless thing from Primark, or if I don't like it, this green jumper and some tights with my only pair of tights. We are going to Asda, so I probably will get some more. Just gonna fill these up quickly. markets at the moment. Well, they have been for the past few years. Great with clothing. And then for the next day, some jeans. I don't know what jumpers are. I'm gonna go with this yellow one, mustardy one. Might put a long sleeve top underneath. I'll be fine, we're in a car. I do actually need to pop into town when we get back though, for some Christmas presents being delivered. Why do jumpers take up so much room? There we go. Don't forget socks. So pair for today. Tomorrow. That side is done. Put them in. Lovely. I've got my makeup remover. Got a nice little body lotion, nice royal one, got 3. That's going in. Oh, my curlers. They're going in because I want to do a little curl up on my hair. Now we get it. Now we do it long ways. Oh, toothbrush. That's it. Nicely packed. Didn't take as long as I thought it would. That's sorted. Oh. With 40 minutes to spare. But yeah, let's go and get Hannah ready and then we'll set off. I don't actually know if you can hear me. We're gonna get Hannah ready and then we're gonna set off. Love hat notice.
Vlogging?
Yeah, we're on.
I think I just snotted.
We have arrived at Costa.
We're not going much today.
Very busy, so let's go and see what there is to actually eat. Okay, we've come to the gingerbread man on top. There we go. We have eaten our Costa. As you know, got the gingerbread latte. I also scoffed down a brie, bacon and cranberry panini. It was alright, not much filling, was still it anyway. But now we're at Asda. I haven't gone in because I was getting petrol, while Hannah, wherever she is, has gone to get a few drinks, because if I'd go in, I will spend money, but we might do it on the way back, because I've seen a few Disney bits in there for my tree. But I got a large. I don't know why I got a large. I'm going to be weeing all the way. Which should be fun. We'll just have to stop over. It's flashing already. Good job we're not doing much. We're just getting to the hotel and I can change it over. Oh, maybe I can see both ends, British. Hello. We are here, we are checked in. It's a very nice, it's a nice hotel. Oh! Even got bottles of water. Who knows if you get charged for those. So we won't touch them. So I'll put my hair up, I'll do a quick room tour. So, it's actually quite nice. You come in. Is this the light? Where's the light for the bathroom, Hannah? Okay. So we come in, we turn left into the bathroom, which is very nice. It's like a nice little walk-in shower, toilet, toiletries, sink, mirror. Yeah.
Where's my charger?
Oh, in it.
Whereabouts?
Say hello. In there.
Oh, I see it.
A lovely big mirror. It's a twin room, but the beds aren't that small, which is quite nice. There is a fridge in here, drawers, desk space. We're actually, one sec, little chair, wardrobe. Hold on. Oh. We're on the bottom floor.
How do you put it on
The hill.
charging?
Do you want my charger? Because it charges in 2 seconds. I'll show you the wardrobe. Is there a light for the wardrobe or not?
I don't think so, no.
Oh, we do have an iron, some hangers. Just a quick. My camera died, but I will finish the tour with just an ironing board.
I don't think the mother wants it.
I know. It's safe. They might be coming to stay, you never know, probably not. And then just really nice space under the bed for your suitcases.
Oh yeah, there is quite good space.
Yeah. Time to get ready. We're ready. Let's go. Hello. I don't know if you can hear me. A place called 808. It looks stunning. 1 second.
I'm intrigued by my dog now.
I've got the nicest drink I've tasted in a while. It's lychee and elderflower. Stunning. We've ordered tapas and I cannot wait. So I'll show you when it comes. The food is here. It looks stunning. So I'll talk you through it. So we've got the arancini balls, patatas bravas, cod bites with katsu, teriyaki beef. What are those?
Honey chili chicken.
Honey chili chicken. I'll let you get my food out.
This is going to take up so much room we have in the seats.
With sock coats. Look. Dinner was.
Oh yeah, you look very that goes that, doesn't it?
Yeah, great.
You can unroll the sleeve.
Dinner was delicious. Out of 5, Hannah?
Sorry.
Dinner out of 5?
Like 3.5.
Oh, 3.5. I'm gonna say 4. 4.5. Straight on, just go straight on. Oh, look at the bridge. Lovely. My favourite had to be the arancini balls, or what did I say was number 2? Patatas bravas?
Oh no.
Or the honey sweet. Oh, what's Hannah? Oh, So now it's a walk to the theatre, which I'm very excited for.
Oh, it's come undone again.
Nah, I'm double knotting it. We're here. Oh, I was gonna take a lovely photo outside, but there's nowhere to take a photo. We're here. Oh, this camera's awful. Did this
Can I have a look at this? Oh, yeah.
I got a programme. £1. It was £1 because
But I think the big programs weren't though.
no, it's because
It was like a brochure for 2020.
because it was like it's the last show today and it's got the Sunderland Empire on. They can't sell them.
Can I have a look?
So we that. We're out. It was so good. But we're now getting an Uber back home.
That's the one thing.
Yeah. What do you call him? Jeremy Cinnamon. It's cold. Hello. We are back in the room. We're watching Gogglebox. Hannah's in bed. But I've made a cup of tea like always.
Maybe I couldn't have gone out.
No. We were planning on, Hannah was like, oh, we should have gone out. And I was like, no, it was bouncing, but it does. We'll be back at the hotel with a cup of tea. Mug. I'd give it, oh, I'm actually snuffing. I would give about 3 out of 5. It's tiny. Taste, it is Tetley.
Is it Tetley?
Oh.
Points for that.
Points for that. Also, milk tastes normal. Not milk.
Tell them when we came out of the theatre, little Gav Rush with stuff.
Yeah, we came out of the
It is Nike high tops.
The little boy, this little boy
Gav
was
Rush.
there. Oh, is that his name?
That's his character name, Gav Rush.
Oh, was standing there. I spotted him. I was like, oh, Mum was like, oh, come on, let's go. You've been spotted.
I knew they were Georges.
I say, water tastes normal. Because was it London and we couldn't drink the tea because the water was absolutely shocking.
I don't remember.
It was too hard. But yeah, I think I'll end it here. Put that down so I don't spill it. And there we go. That is day 2 of Vlogmas. Already completed. I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Do you want to say bye, Hannah? Bye.